हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ अपेक्षा और आज मैं डिस्कस करूँगी एलटी ग्रेड इंग्लिश का क्वेश्चन पेपर। और ये क्वेश्चन पेपर का सेट ए है मेरे पास। और हम सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं इसका जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, कॉम्प्रीहेंशन इंग्लिश पोर्शन का, यहाँ से। और फ्रेंड्स, ये जो दो पैसेज हैं, एक आपका प्रोज का है, दूसरा पोइट्री का है, अनसीन पैसेज। इसके जो आंसर्स हैं ये मैंने अपने अकॉर्डिंग टिक किए हैं, तो मे बी जब आपकी ऑफिशियल आंसर की आएगी तो उससे मे बी हो सकता है कोई क्वेश्चन में डिफरेंस आ जाए। और बाकी के इसके अलावा जो मैंने आंसर्स टिक किए हैं दैट आर 100% श्योर। सो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं हम इसको। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 है द एक्सप्रेशन कस्टम एंड सेरेमनीज दैट मीन्स यूजुअल प्रैक्टिसेस एंड रिलीजियस राइट्स। नेक्स्ट है a suitable title for the given passage would be, and I think it must be, Laws and the People's Right. Next है according to the writer, which one of the following is not the responsibility of the police? I think it must be option A, to protect the privilege of all citizens. Next है which of the following reflects the main thrust of the passage, and I think it must be option C. It discusses the roles of the army and the police in different circumstances. Next है out of the following which one has the opposite meaning of the word restrained in the passage, and it must be option B. And see this passage of poetry. What does riches mean here? And I think it must be option B, material gains. Next है what does the poet say about lust of fame? And the poet says that it is, I think, transitory. What is the condition of the poet? And I think answer must be option A, dissatisfied with the present. Next है what does the poet pray for? And I think option must be C, liberty of soul. ठीक है, ये हमारे पैसेज हो गए। अब इसके बाद हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ वोकेबलरी के क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्टली स्पेल्ड? एंड ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, INCREDIBLE, दिस इज करेक्ट स्पेलिंग। नेक्स्ट, कॉनीसर की करेक्ट स्पेलिंग होगी CONNOISSEUR। नेक्स्ट है रेस्टोरेंट, इसकी करेक्ट स्पेलिंग होगी RESTAURANT। नेक्स्ट है change the word grass into verb, and verb form होगी इसकी graze. नेक्स्ट है which of the following is the noun of condemn, and इसकी noun जो form होगी वो होगी condemnation. नेक्स्ट है which of the following is the verb of internal, और इसकी verb form हो जाएगी internalize. ओके, नेक्स्ट punctuate the following sentence correctly, and answer will be A, man may come and man may go but I go on forever. Next है punctuate the following sentence, so option A is correct answer. Next है punctuate the following sentence correctly, I like all things good and bad, beautiful and ugly, dark and bright. Option D is correct. Next, choose the correct plural verb, and answer will be C, men, servants. Next, change the correct sentence from the following, and answer will be B, I am obliged to you for this good turn. Next, choose the correct sentence from the following, answer will be C, because he is clever he gets good marks. Next, question number 52, give the synonym of the word candid, and answer will be frank, option C. Next, antonym of the word disparage, answer is option B, praise. Next, fill in the blank with suitable option, answer will be C, skirted. Next है which of the following tenses refers to a completed action, and completed जो action दिखाया जाता है वो present perfect में होता है, answer will be C. Next है which of the following sentences is in present perfect continuous tense, and answer will be option B, I have been making cakes. Next, choose the correct sentence in present continuous tense. Question number 57. Answer will be option C, my uncle is making a speech on Tuesday. Next, question number 58. Give the correct sentence of the idiom in camera. In camera means at a secret or private place. Next, choose the correct meaning of the idiom once in a blue moon. That means very rarely, option C. Next, to accept the gauntlet, that's mean to accept a challenge. Next, friends, I'm not sure about this question, so I have not take any option here, so leave it. Next, put the given sentence into indirect narration. Good morning, Vijay, said Ramesh. Are you going to the market? Answer will be A. Ramesh wished Vijay good morning and asked whether he was going to the market. Next, change the following sentences into direct narration. करेक्ट आंसर होगा इसका, मैं डायरेक्ट ऑप्शन बोल देती हूँ आपको. सी, गंगू आर यू इन योर सेंसेस आस्क्ड मोती. नेक्स्ट, नरेशन आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन डी, सोहन टोल्ड मी दैट ही हैड ऑलवेज बीन माई फ्रेंड. नेक्स्ट है, change the following sentences into indirect narration. Answer will be option D, he exclaimed that it was a very cold day. Next है, choose the correct sentence. So answer will be A, when I went to school we had to learn Latin. Next, pick out the correct sentence. Answer A is correct, when I grow up I would be an astronaut. Next है, transform the following sentence into assertive sentence. Answer will be nothing is better than milk for one's health. Next, 69. Synthesize the following set of sentences into one simple sentence. Answer will be option B. Nobody knows the birthplace of the great poet Homer. Next, transform the following sentence into compound sentence, and answer will be he was unwell but he kept on working. Option number C. Next, translate the following sentence into English. Proverb है ये, ओस चाटने से प्यास नहीं बुझती, and answer will be option D, fog cannot be dispelled by a fan. Next, translate the following sentence into English. This is also a proverb, जिसकी लाठी उसकी भैंस. Might is right. Option A. Next, अंत भला तो सब भला. Option A, all is well that ends well. Next, several villages were burnt down. हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करना है इसको, and answer will be कई गांव जला दिए गए. Next, translate the following sentence into हिंदी. तो इसका आंसर होगा मुझे थोड़ी चाय और चल जाएगी. Next, ट्रांसलेट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेज इनटू हिंदी. इसका आंसर देखिए, ऑप्शन बी, यदि मैं दोबारा चुना जाऊं तो इन समस्याओं को हल कर दूंगा. नेक्स्ट, पॉइंट आउट द सैल्यूटेशन इन एन इनफॉर्मल लेटर. आंसर विल बी ए, डियर मदर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 78. एन इनफॉर्मल लेटर वॉज द फॉलोइंग हैज़ द फॉलोइंग पार्ट्स. आंसर सी, सैल्यूटेशन, बॉडी, सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड सिग्नेचर. नेक्स्ट, with love is used in which part of an informal letter. Answer will be C, closing. Next, in order to have a desired effect on the recipient, a formal letter should be. Answer will be D, all of the above. Next, 81. Which among the following is a sonnet? Ozymandias is the correct answer. Next, a sonnet having 3 quatrains and a couplet with rhyming scheme AB AB CD CD EF EF GG is called its Shakespearean sonnet. Next, who introduced Ottawa into English? And answer is Watt, Sir Thomas Watt. Next, the Pindaric ode consists of, and answer is option B, strophe, antistrophe, epode. Next, what is blank verse? Answer A, it has a meter but no rhyme. Next, The greatest poet of dramatic monologue is in English is, answer is D, Robert Browning. And Litotes mean, and its answer is option D, concrete irony. Next है, which of the following is not an elegy? Answer C, Tintern Abbey. Next, the Reformation movement was led by, answer B, Martin Luther, who said done affects the metaphysics not only in his satire but also in his amorous verses. Answer will be A, John Dryden. Next, Ben Jonson wrote, answer D, farcical comedies. Next है John Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress is, and Friends, answer A, an allegory. Next, Eminent Victorians by Lytton Strachey is, and its answer is option B, a biography. Next, who among the following is not associated with the Pre-Raphaelites Brotherhood? And answer B, Dylan Thomas. Next, Expressionism is a movement originated in the early 20th century in, answer C, Germany. Next, who among the following is the movement poet? आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन डी, फिलिप लार्किन. नेक्स्ट, who said a thought to done was an experience it modified his sensibility? And it's option B, T.S. Eliot. Next, the term conceit has relevance in, and answer will be option D, metaphysical poetry. Next, the coffee house culture flourished in, and its answer is A, the early 18th century, means in neoclassical age. Next, the phrase stamped face in Donne's poem The Canonization refers to, and answer is option B, a coin. Next है, identify the most suitable salutation for a business letter. Answer C, dear sir. Next, the opening lines of Paradise Lost are a good example of, answer B, Miltonic version. Next, what was the leading principle in the age of Pope? And its answer is option A, good sense. Next, what is the real name of Belinda in Pope's The Rape of the Lock? Option C, Arabella Fermor. Next, who said poets are the mirrors of the gigantic shadows which futurity cast upon the present? Option A, P.B. Shelley. Next, what term does Keats use for the Grecian urn? And answer is option D, historian. Next, who narrates the poem My Last Touches? Answer is option C, the Duke. Next, which of the following characteristics describes the tone of the Dover Beach best? And friends, its answer is C, pessimistic. Next, the name of Ulysses' son is Telemachus. Option C. Next, turning and turning is the in the widening, and answer is option A, gyre. Next, W.B. Yeats used Byzantium as a symbol of, and answer is D, artistic perfection. Next, in which poem does the title of Achebe's novel Things Fall Apart occur? And answer is option D, The Second Coming. Next, point out the active voice, and its answer is option D, I would like you to assist. Next, A Game of Chess. The second section in The Wasteland is also the title of the play to which T.S. Eliot refers in his notes. The play was written by, and answer is D, Thomas Middleton. Next, which Upanishad does T.S. Eliot allude to in his monumental work The Wasteland? Answer B. Next, The Wasteland concludes with an blank word. Answer C, Sanskrit. Next, Imagism is a literary movement is associated with, and answer है option D, T.E. Hume. Next, change the following sentences into passive voice. Answer will be option D, my shoes had been cleaned and my suit brushed. Next, Robert Frost was, and its answer is option D, an American poet settled in New England. Stanley Weber, and its answer is pianist. वो pianist था. Next, the four humors in Ben Jonson's time were blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. Who is sick of self-love in Shakespeare's Twelfth Night? Answer is option A, Malvolio. Next है the sleepwalking scene occurs in, and its answer is B, Macbeth. लेडी मैकबेथ जो थी वो उसके ऊपर ये सीन है. नेक्स्ट है हमारा वेयर डज द एक्ट थर्ड एक्ट इन द आर्म्स एंड द मैन टेक प्लेस, एंड इट्स आंसर इज ए, लाइब्रेरी. नेक्स्ट है चूज द करेक्ट फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ब्स, and answer is option C, to wake, hear and beating. Next, Dryden's All for Love is a retelling of Shakespeare's, and its answer is option A, Antony and Cleopatra. Next, Dryden's All for Love is written in, and answer is option B, blank words. Next, identify the correct sentence, and its answer will be option C, she entered the room without knocking on the door, because after enter we don't use any preposition. Next है fill in the blank. Do you ever send blank for things? Answer will be B, out. Next, matching है friends 130 क्वेश्चन नंबर, और इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन D. Next, who has described Bacon as the wisest, brightest, meanest of mankind? Answer is option B, Alexander Pope. Next, who is the essayist who called his essays dispersed meditations? Answer is option D, Francis Bacon. Next, 133, who wrote under the pseudonym Alpha of the Plough? Answer is option D, A.G. Gardner. The word Elia is associated with, answer C, Charles Lamb. How much money does the narrator of the short story The Luncheon have when the story opens? Answer B, 80 francs. Who is credited for pioneering the historical novel? Answer C, Walter Scott. Next, the phrase 2 inches ivory is used for the plots of, and answer D, Jane Austen. Next, who is Pip's tutor in London in Dickens' Great Expectation? And answer D, Matthew Arnold. Next, Fielding's Joseph Andrews parodies. Answer C, Pamela. Next, happiness is what an occasional episode in the general drama of pain. Answer C, the Mayor of Castlebridge. Next, whom did Henchard arrange to hire as his business manager before meeting Farfrae in the Mayor of Casterbridge? Answer D, Joshua Job. Next, Mrs. Dalloway describes the events of, and answer is option C, one day. Next, Mr. Burman in Last Leaf is, answer A, a neighbor living downstairs. Next, the Bennet family in Pride and Prejudice lives in the, answer A, Longbourn estate. Next, who is the old man in The Old Man and the Sea? Answer is option B, Santiago. Next, the statement all animals are equal but some are more equal than others occurs in, answer C, Animal Farm. Lord of the Flies is a literal translation of, answer A, Beelzebub. Next, Eunoka is associated with the novel, answer B, Things Fall Apart. And 149, choose the best alternative which expresses the meaning of the underlined word. Engaged you on to become a social worker, and answer is option B, urged. And the last one is Rangamma in Kantapura organizes the Bhiman and calls this group, and its answer is option C, Mahila Sevika. तो फ्रेंड्स, आप एक आइडिया लगा सकते हैं कि आप लगभग कितना मार्क्स जो है स्कोर कर पाएंगे. बाकी ऑफिशियल आंसर की जब भी आएगी उससे आप चेक कर लीजिए एक बार, ठीक है. और फ्रेंड्स, इसके साथ ही मैं आपको बता दूं कि मैं बहुत जल्द ही यूपी टीजीटी और यूपी पीजीटी के लिए वीडियोस जो हैं वो बनाने वाली हूँ। तो अगर आप मेरी वीडियोस पसंद कर रहे हैं तो मेरे चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहिए। थैंक यू सो मच।